In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the "this file can't be verified because safe browsing is off" Chrome error. This is a really common issue, and it usually happens when Chrome is blocking a download because safe browsing is turned off, the file is being treated as unverified, or the website you're using needs a different permission setting. The good news is there are a few simple ways to get past it, and I'll walk you through the quickest fix first, then the permanent fix, and finally, a site-specific fix if the problem only happens on one website. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials just like this. Let's get into it. First, if you are completely sure the file is safe and it came from a trusted source, you can bypass the warning and force the download. To do that, look at the top right corner of Chrome and click the Downloads icon, which looks like a downward arrow. If you prefer, you can also open your downloads list using Ctrl and J on Windows or Command, Shift and J on Mac. Once the downloads page opens, find the blocked file that shows the warning message. You'll usually see a warning label or a blocked status next to it. Click the three dots or the small arrow beside that file and look for the option that says Keep or Download Unsafe File. When you click that, Chrome will let you override the warning and save the file to your device. This is the fastest fix, but only use it if you truly trust the source. If you're downloading software, documents, or tools from a website you know is legitimate, this can save you a lot of time. But if you're not 100% sure about the file, it's always better to stop and scan it first. Now let's move on to the better long-term fix, which is turning safe browsing back on. This is the option you want if Chrome keeps interrupting downloads, or if you want background protection to work properly again. To do that, click the three vertical dots in the top right corner of Chrome and choose Settings. In the Settings menu, go to Privacy and Security on the left side, then click Security. Inside the Security page, look for the Safe Browsing section. If it's set to No Protection, that is often the reason you're seeing this verification issue. Switch it to Standard Protection, or if you want more proactive scanning, choose Enhanced Protection. Once you change that setting, try downloading the file again. Chrome should now verify the file in the background and stop showing that "can't be verified" message in many cases. This is the safest fix if you want Chrome to protect you while still allowing normal downloads to work more smoothly. Also, if the file was blocked because browser protection was disabled, re-enabling safe browsing often solves it immediately. If the error only happens on one specific website, then the issue may be with that site's settings rather than Chrome itself. In that case, you can change the site restrictions for that domain. Go to the website where you're trying to download the file, then look at the icon directly to the left of the web address. Depending on your Chrome version, this may look like a padlock, a tune icon, or a small site controls icon. Click it and choose Site Settings from the menu that appears. Now scroll through the permissions list until you find Insecure Content. If it's set to Block, change it to Allow. After that, reload the page and try the download again. This can help on intranet sites, school portals, internal company pages, or older websites that Chrome is treating more strictly than usual. Just remember, you should only adjust this for websites you trust. So to quickly recap, if you need the fastest solution, open Downloads and choose Keep or Download Unsafe File. If you want the more permanent Chrome side fix, turn safe browsing back on under Security Settings. And if the problem only happens on one website, adjust the site's permissions and allow insecure content for that trusted domain. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy step-by-step fixes. And if you're still having trouble with Chrome downloads, check the description for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.